This JMP demonstration will show how to build naive Bayes models in JMP Pro. We're using the diabetes dataset from the sample data library. We'll use the naive Bayes technique to predict the categorical outcome Y binary, which is a binary measure of disease progression. We'll start by going to Analyze, Predictive Modeling, and choosing Naive Bayes. We'll place our predictors into the X factor role, and our response, Y binary, into the Y response role. Note that naive Bayes can be used for classification but not regression, so the Y response role accepts only nominal or ordinal columns. If we like, we can specify a randomly selected proportion of our data to use as a validation set, or we can place a validation column into the validation role. When we click OK, JMP presents misclassification rates and confusion matrices. For our validation set, we see that our model has an overall misclassification rate of 0.24, with a higher rate when actual disease progression was low than when it was high. Above that, we have a Fit Details section that presents additional measures of model performance. Further down in the report, we have ROC curves and lift curves to help visualize our model's classification performance. Under the red triangle, we can turn on the Prediction Profiler to explore our model predictions interactively. We also have the option to save our model formulas back to the data table.